Hello everyone, welcome to Medha Guru. In this class, we are going to learn about momentum. We are going to understand what is momentum. It is a very important and interesting concept of physics. So, what do you think is more dangerous? A bullet fired from a gun or a coconut falling from a tree? I am pretty sure that you guys are thinking that a bullet fired from a gun is more dangerous. Let's try to find out that you guys are actually right or not. Okay, now the speed of the bullet. Okay, the speed of the bullet depends on the type of gun in which it is used. So let's consider the average speed of bullet be 400 meter per second. Okay, now let's consider the average speed of the bullet be 400 meter per second. And what is the speed of this coconut? When it falls from the tree, what will be its speed? We will find out. Let us consider that the distance or the displacement it travels while falling from the tree is equal to 15 meter. That is the height of the tree, right? Now, this is 15 meter. What will be the initial speed of this coconut? The initial speed of this coconut is 0 meter per second. Why it is 0 meter per second? It is 0 meter per second because it has just started its journey, right? So when anybody starts its journey, then its initial speed will be 0 meter per second. Now the displacement over which it travels is s, that is 15 meter. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find its final velocity. What will be its velocity just before hitting the ground? Okay, so we have to find what? V. Now when this coconut falls, it falls faster and faster. Why? Because of the gravity. So it accelerates due to gravity. So acceleration due to gravity, that is G, or we can say A, is approximately 10 meter per second square. Now after looking all these quantities, what came in our mind? We have U, we have S, we have G. Which equation of motion can be used to find the final velocity? Yes, you guys are right. That is Newton's third equation of motion, that is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, or V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. This equation can be used to find the final velocity. So, V square is equals to, what is U? U is 0 plus 2 into what is A? A is 10, and what is S? S is 15. So, on solving this, we get V square is equals to 300 meter per second, obviously. Now, on putting the square root on both the sides, we can say V is equals to root over 300 meter per second, which is equal to 17.32 meter per second, or we can say that V is equals to 17 meter per second approximately. So the speed of the bullet is 400 meter per second, and the speed of this coconut falling from a tree is just 17 meter per second. Obviously, the speed of the bullet is much higher, right? But don't you think we also need to consider how heavy the moving object is? So in physics, we deal with both the mass and the velocity object rather than only using the velocity term. So, on calculating the mass and velocity both, what is the physical quantity that we get? We get a new physical quantity, that is momentum. So, in physics, it is really important to consider both mass and velocity and not just velocity. So, the physical quantity which deals with both mass and velocity is known as momentum. Okay. So, momentum is mass times velocity. Okay. So, if we want to calculate the momentum of the bullet and the coconut that is falling from a tree, how can we calculate that? this is a coconut whose speed is 17 meter per second. Let us consider the mass of the coconut be 1 kg approximately, okay. And this is a bullet whose speed is 400 meter per second and its mass will be almost 10 gram. Now let's calculate the momentum of these two. What is momentum? Momentum can be represented by P, mass times velocity. What is mass? 1 kg. And what is velocity? 17 meter per second. So what is the momentum of this coconut? The momentum of this coconut is 17 kg meter per second. Okay, this is the momentum of the coconut falling from a coconut tree. Now let's calculate the momentum of this bullet. Here again, momentum is mass times velocity. What is the mass of this bullet? The mass of this bullet is 10 gram. On converting it to its SI unit, we have 10 upon 1000 kg times velocity 400 meter per second, which is 1 by 100 into 400 meter per second. This is kg, which is equal to 4 kg meter per second. Now the momentum of this bullet is 4 kg meter per second and the momentum of this coconut falling from a tree is 17 kg meter per second. So here we notice that the momentum of this coconut is almost 4 times to the momentum of this bullet. So this is very large. So it is more dangerous. Why? The falling coconut, when it hits on our head, when a falling coconut hits on our head, it transfers this amount of momentum to our body and it is really dangerous. But when this bullet hits to our body, because of its pointed edge, sharp edge, it directly go into our body and it can be deadly as well. But if we want to compare on the basis of momentum, the momentum of the coconut is much higher than the momentum of this bullet. So both can be deadly, but on the basis of momentum, coconut is the winner. So I hope you guys understood the concept of momentum. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, do let us know in the comment section. For more such interesting contents, do subscribe Medha Guru and don't forget to press the bell icon for the regular updates.